Glove double R. He about to be glove 250cc. Alright now.
I think Mir made this one.
Yeah, they wantin' the real, I'm giving them that. Wantin' the real, something to feel. They selling us lies, I'm selling them back. Not everyone around me is safe, you better relax. Feel like I've gone too far, bringing it back. Bringing it back. You're never too far, and that's just the facts. Look where we was, now people where we at. I'm pressing whoever they claim that they bout what they rap. Feel like I've gone too far, I'm bringing it back.
Glove double R, we in the building right now. We're actually on our way to one of my boys' houses. Ooh, that was kind of sketchy. On our way to one of my boys' houses right now. Going to do a little vlogging today, do a little riding today. He actually got a dirt bike, a RMZ 250, so I'm gonna probably touch that thing. I'm gonna try to touch that thing a little bit if he lets me. But as of right now, let's rip. It, baby. Let's rip. Oh, what is this? What is all this traffic? Traffic. Looking for my chapstick. Feeling kind of caustic. There's a Ford Maverick. Woo! What's this? A little Mazda? Bye. Action, baby. Give me lit, baby. Woo! Give me lit. I just got the Ali's crib. He said he about to let me touch the 250. So I'm about to, and he said he been practicing wheeling a little bit. So we about to see where he at with everything. And I'm gonna see if he let me get some wheelies in too. Let's go to the backyard real quick, see what he on. There you go.
Good, my boy.
There you go.
Yeah, man. It's goody.
How you living?
Chilling.
We going to the creek?
Yeah.
Or we just riding around?
We live?
We live, baby.
Love double R vlogs. You know what I mean? Allow me to introduce myself. You see the name right here.
Keep the vest.
You know what I mean? Ali Boy, aka Alixclusive, aka Ali Olos, whatever you want to call me. Depends on my mood, man. You know what I'm saying?
But are you going to be on 12? That's the question.
What's your something like? What's your something like? I ain't gonna do no talking, man.
All right, bet. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Hey. Okay. Let's go. Hey, floating that. All right, Ali. Woo! I'm scared to keep it up there. I got it though. Uh-oh. Is it time? Is it time?
250 time. Let's see if we can even start this shit.
You must not know who I am, bro. You must not know who I am, bro. I really do this. You gotta hold the clutch in or no?
We can't start it.
Crazy.
Okay, time. One hit.
Alright.
It's gonna come out fast, it's not gonna roll out. My clutch is stiff.
What you mean? Ooh! Alright, y'all. Oh, this is a lot different. It's a lot different, bro. This is a whole lot different. This is all light. Bro, guys, I got this, bro. It's so... I just gotta... Damn. Bro, this is all light, bro. Hold on.
You're not gonna be able to kick it in neutral.
This joint light, bro. You seen me get that bitch up quick though, right? All I needed was a little circle.
What do you mean you got it up?
You seen me bounce that joint up a little bit, right?
Love it. Stop,
bro, all I needed was a little bit.
Wheel came right here, bro.
That was a power wheelie.
Yeah, it's supposed to do that.
Alright.
Yeah,
I could have got that bitch up higher, bro. This my first time on this bitch. It feel way different.
So if you get that joint up, right?
Bro, it feel way different, bro. In the back, the back tires, you could feel like the difference between like these tires and street tires. It like feels different. All right. Alright guys, I'm getting this bitch up. Oh. I got this, John. What? Slow down? Okay. Okay, I feel you. Said he about to show us something. Alright. 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 I like that. Making me want a dirt bike, guys. Making me want a dirt bike. Oh yeah. That was a solid one. That last one was good. When do you be hitting the brake? Cause I'll be seeing you hit the brake sometime.
Nah, I just engine brake, like I just let off of the jump.
Oh, you just be letting off?
Yeah, cause that be coming up. I wasn't trying to loop out.
Out on the handlebars. Let me hit this John real quick, bro.
Look at this man glove. This man on a 250. Look at this man. Let's see. I don't know what he think he about to do, but we'll see. Glove double R. He about to be glove 250cc. All right now. All right now. Hit it. Hit it.
Bro, I'm trying.
You feel like you're going high, right?
No, I get it to the point where I gotta like hit it a few times, but every time I let off, I just let all the way off.
Because you're not high enough. You gotta bring it a little bit higher. But yo, I'm telling you, second is snappy, bro.
You want me to try third? I'm gonna try third.
If you try it in third, you gotta really hit it. Look at the Maserati. Get that on camera. Maserati. Cover the back brake. Cover the back brake. Yo, watch when he get off the bike. He gonna be like, yo, you saw that joint. I had that joint. He gonna be like, I had that joint. All right, guys. He's back. Kill switch. Yo, y'all see my finger? That jump be like, when you hit the clutch, that jump be like, burn.
Bro, it ain't that bad, but I just gotta get the throttle, like, feel for it. Like,
yeah, you gotta just bring it higher. If you bring it higher, you'll start chasing your wheelies, so you'll have it.
Ready to have that up here, cause then I'll whiskey throttle that bitch. That's how I feel.
You just you just gotta ride that jump. If you ride all day, you'll get that jump. Like if you was to ride for like a couple hours, I said your name not gonna be glove double R no more. It's gonna be glove CC, glove 250cc. What do RR stand for?
Race replica.
I thought that John, man, road runner.
Alright guys, we about to slide out a little bit. Damn, now I'm not even used to my bike. Now I'm not even used to my bike no more. Guys, he might have just inspired me to get a dirt bike sooner than I thought. What y'all think? Who got a cheap dirt bike for sale? Hit me up, man. Yup. Damn, that traction control brought me back down. Let me turn it off. Alright, traction control brought me back down. Let me see if we pop a little something. See if we got right, Double R gang, we made it back to the crib. Let me know what y'all think about my little wheelies. It was only my first day ever wheeling a dirt bike, but it kind of got me wanting one real bad. So let me know if you think I should get a dirt bike, number one, or should I practice wheeling on Rosie, because that's the only thing that's stopping me. I'm scared to practice on Rosie right now because she's my baby. So definitely let me know what y'all think about my wheelies. Yeah, you know what I mean, first day, let me know what y'all think. Also drop any tips that y'all might have for me when wheeling, because I could get it up, I just have trouble like finding the balance point and, you know, feathering the throttle and everything. So give me any wheelie tips that you guys have. Let me know if you think I should get a dirt bike or just practice on Rosie. Leave it in the comments. All right, peace. Glove Double R, we out.
Look at the sexy 1000. Now the question is, will Glove let me take the 1000 around the park? Around the park, that's it. And you can follow me on a dirt bike.
Oh man. Guys, I'm so scared.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm at my mom's house. Let me
Please pray for me. Please pray for Rosie.
Alright, sure.
Alright guys. Oh, I'm so nervous. I've never seen my baby. I've never seen anybody else on her. I was treating his bitch today.
You got the GoPro joints on?
Yeah, talk to him. Talk to him. Talk to him. Talk to him. He said he trying to disrespect your block. Look, alright. Let me see where she at with it. Yo. Really? Come on.
Make it count, I ain't giving it up. Asked for it and I knew it was tough. Door cracked, they ain't giving me much. Only God, cause it couldn't be luck. Yeah, for real. I hate the moments where I feel like I'm stuck. Got to it now, look how we up. I had to leave her, I was tripping off love. Tried to talk, but she wanted to fuss.